Beautiful plants for home garden. In today's video, I thought of showing you some of the beautiful plants you can have in your garden as deco plants. So these are very beautiful, attractive plants, and beautiful, attractive plants. You can decor your home as well with these plants and as well as your outdoor garden. So let's see the number of plants that I have in my garden as beautiful house plants. This leafy plant is beautiful Aralia plant. This is a variety of Aralia. I have it in a pot and this is absolutely beautiful. These plants you can grow with a stem cutting and prefers the shade. Money plants or money pothos. These are also beautiful leafy plants. You can keep them in a shady corner in your garden as outdoor plants and they are absolutely beautiful. Umbrella plant. This is another beautiful leafy plant for your home garden. You can grow them outdoors as outdoor plants. And also this is one of the best home decor plant. Isn't it beautiful? Variegated ficus triangula is another beautiful plant for your home garden. Having varieties of Dracaena plants, which you can grow from stems, are another beautiful plant varieties to decor your home garden. I love having them in my garden. These are absolutely beautiful plants. Beautiful big leaves of alocasia you can have in your garden to make it beautiful. Gold dust plant, another beautiful, colorful, attractive plant which makes your garden so beautiful. Danus plant. This is also another attractive plant. Bird nest plants. Their huge leaves makes the garden look so beautiful. Such a beautiful plant.